Shanghai Xuncai Building Materials Technology Group Company Limited, founded in 2018, has always paid attention to the colored pavement and floor system, committed to creating colored pavement coatings and floor coatings in the field of building materials, integrated construction services as one of the Greenway Road one-stop integrated system in the retail field to create chemical coating products, supporting engineering services of colored pavement solutions. The company regards lean thinking as the production philosophy and pursues the craftsman spirit of continuous improvement and excellence. At the same time, through learning advanced production concepts, lean operation, optimize supply chain costs, shorten the delivery cycle, and improve the comprehensive competitiveness of product supply. Xuncai Group is committed to building a healthy and green road brand, Medibo. Medibo truly realizes one-stop products and one-stop services, honors China's famous brand, honors quality, service, integrity, 5A enterprise, and has won the Gold Plus Supplier Evaluation Certificate. We also support OEM and ODM orders to meet customers' custom design needs. We provide customers with qualification certificates and testing certificates in strict accordance with the national green standards and higher than the National Technical Index standards, so that users of our products more at ease, more safe, and non-toxic. As a Chinese brand, the coatings produced by Medibo will benefit the whole world. The all-channel service system of Medibo will be implemented and developed continuously so as to make roads safer, cities more beautiful, and life better.